After a stroke, surgery, serious illness, or traumatic injury, some patients need a higher level of rehabilitation before returning home. At HCA Florida Blake Hospital in Bradenton, our inpatient rehabilitation program provides hospital-based care designed to help patients regain strength, mobility, communication skills, and independence. Each patient receives a personalized rehabilitation plan based on their needs and recovery goals. Treatment may include physical therapy, occupational therapy, and speech-language pathology, with care guided by a physical medicine and rehabilitation physician. Patients also have access to a specialized care team, including rehabilitation nurses, therapists, case managers, and specialty physicians as needed. Because our program is located within HCA Florida Blake Hospital, patients have access to hospital services such as diagnostic imaging, lab testing, dialysis, and medical consultations when needed. During their stay, patients participate in intensive therapy, which may include up to 3 hours of therapy per day as ordered by the physician. Therapy is provided one-on-one and focuses on building the skills patients need for everyday life. In the therapy gym, patients may work on strength, balance, walking, coordination, and mobility using specialized rehabilitation equipment. These sessions are designed to help patients practice movements and activities that support a safer return home. Our rehabilitation space also includes a studio apartment for activities of daily living therapy. Here, patients can practice common household tasks such as getting in and out of bed, using the bathroom, preparing for daily routines, and moving safely through a home-like environment. Family and caregiver involvement is an important part of the rehabilitation process. Our team provides education and training to help loved ones understand how to support the patient's recovery after discharge. Before a patient leaves our care, our team helps coordinate discharge planning, which may include follow-up physician appointments, medical equipment, and home or outpatient services. At HCA Florida Blake Hospital, our goal is to help patients take the next step in recovery with confidence, support, and care close to home. To learn more about inpatient rehabilitation or to schedule a personalized tour, call 941-526-3718.